In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to invite new teammates, choose the right product access, and place them in the correct groups so they can get started smoothly and securely. First, open your Confluence site and make sure you're signed in with an account that has site admin permissions. Only admins can add users, so if you don't see the options in this walkthrough, you may need to ask an admin to grant you the right role. Look to the top right corner and click the settings gear. This takes you into the administrative area for your site. From there, open User Management. On Confluence Cloud, user administration lives in the Atlassian Admin Hub, where you manage people across all Atlassian products for your organization. Next, click Invite Users. You'll see a form where you can specify who you're inviting and what they'll have access to. In the email field, enter the work email addresses for the people you want to add. You can paste multiple addresses separated by commas or spaces, and pasting from a spreadsheet works fine. Take a moment to double check spelling. Invites are sent exactly as typed, and typos can delay onboarding. Now choose the app access. Select Confluence so the invite grants a Confluence license and lets the user view, comment, and create pages as appropriate. If your organization also uses other Atlassian products, only select additional apps if the person truly needs them. If you're close to your license limit, you might see a warning. In that case, free up a seat or adjust your plan before proceeding. Assign group membership to control permissions. Groups determine what users can do by default and which spaces they can access. For most people, a standard group intended for regular contributors is sufficient. Add users to elevated groups only when necessary, and follow the principle of least privilege. You can always adjust groups later if their responsibilities change. Personalize the invitation email with a brief, friendly note. Let them know why they're being invited, which spaces to start with, and where to find help or documentation. Clear context reduces confusion and speeds up adoption. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. Each recipient will get a secure email with a link to join. They'll appear as pending until they accept. If someone can't find the message, have them check spam or resend the invite from the user list. After they sign in, confirm they can access the right spaces. If not, update their groups or space permissions. And that's it. Open Confluence, go to Settings, User Management, invite users, add emails, choose app access, set groups, personalize the message, and send.